Viewer, here is a pattern stamp to make there and paint on it. Let's use the further one. I will take another shape. There is the elliptical shape. We will add a paint for that. There I will use the razor tool and unhide that hidden shapes.